If we've been making videos on how you can leverage on YouTube channel to actually make some real passive income, all right. But we've not actually talked about how to create a YouTube channel, successful YouTube channel from scratch. All right. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a successful YouTube channel, the design and everything you need to create a successful YouTube channel from start. So you be sure that you stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, like this video, comment in the comment section whichever area you want me to make video on. You pay attention to this video, this entire video, because a little mistake in the end of the day can make your entire hard work go in vain. So that's why you have to follow the steps of those that already know how this whole thing is actually done. All right. So creating a YouTube channel is not difficult. All you need is a Gmail account, and then you proceed to YouTube and then connect that Gmail account to the YouTube account. Gmail is already connected to the YouTube account. You just officially open it and then set up other things and then verify with your phone number, and then you can start uploading videos. So that's what we are just going to be checking right now. So let's just jump right into my phone or my computer, because you can do this from your phone. You can do this also from your PC, that's your computer. But one thing you need to know is that phone has a kind of limited edition that you can do. All right, limited edition. There are some limited stuffs you could edit on phone. All right, like setting up your channel to a particular niche you're about to set it up to. All right. Here's one of the reasons why I say you should pay attention to this video to the end. Most persons already started a YouTube channel and they're already uploading, but they wonder why their video is not blowing up, it's not moving at all, and the wrong set of persons is coming across their channel. And that's because the niche they're actually running on, there's what we call niche, all right. That's the area of concentration, the area you're making video on, is actually uh, the channel is running on another niche, and then they are making videos on another niche without knowing. All right, so this video we are just going to talk about the full setup that you need to do to actually set your channel on the particular area that you want to actually make video on. And if you don't know the any area that you want to make video on yet, and you're still randomizing your video, all right, it's still okay. All right, I'm going to show you what to do. All right, because on the long run, your channel gets to teach you the particular niche you should focus on based on the feedback you're receiving from your channel. All right, so let's just go right without talking too much.
All right, so if you are doing this on a mobile phone, which I presume most persons will be using, you have to go to your YouTube, log in with your Gmail, and then click at the top right hand side, set up the name that you want to use for your YouTube account. All right, for this particular account, we're using Williams DD Franklin. All right, so you be sure you set up a name that you like. Then the next thing that you are going to have to do is to upload a picture, like a kind of a square picture that your channel that will be displayed as a that will be a kind of representation for your channel. Or if you don't have this particular picture, you can just use a picture that you like, and then, or if you want to use the correct thing, you have to use Canva, and then click on YouTube picture. All right, so you will see various YouTube tools there that you can use to design a picture that will actually suit in here. So I'm going to use this particular picture here for this particular purpose. Already just a random picture on the gallery that we'll love to use for this. All right, so you could see uploaded, and it's just like that. Then the next thing that you're going to have to do is to set up a description. All right, already your channel is fully created. By now you can start uploading video, but people might like to go through the description to see what your channel is all about. So you should set up a description of what your channel is all about. All right, here you don't need to write too much, but you just need to give an overview of what your channel is about, what people should expect or what people should see on your channel. All right, just give it a simple description. One thing you should know is that this can be changed over time. You could, edit and add more things or remove more things over time from this. All right, but what I don't recommend people changing often is the name of your channel. Imagine me coming to watch your video today, and tomorrow I might want to check back and I couldn't find your channel again, all because you have changed the name. All right, that's not good. All right, so avoid changing the name multiple times. So if you've done this, you're all set up, you're ready to upload video. The next setting that you are going to have to do is on the desktop, where you have to choose your niche and then put some default settings. That one has to be done from a laptop. All right, so you can see your channel link there. You can share it to people on your WhatsApp or your social media, telling them to subscribe to your channel. All right, so the next thing we're going to do right now is to upload a video to see how this goes. But before we do that, there is something I need to tell you about all this whole thing. All right. The If you've done this, you can start uploading video. Yeah, that's right. The other ones that needs to be done on desktop is a kind of secondary, but it's very, very important as well. So you can see here, you can see live, you can see upload video and upload short. All right, that live button may not be functioning for now because you need to get to a particular YouTube threshold before you can go live. All right. Then the upload shot is to upload videos that are less than 1 minute and are 19 by 16 frame. All right, that's kind of vertical. All right, just the way you upload your TikTok videos or your Facebook reel or Instagram reels. All right, so we're going to choose a random video from here, from this gallery, and upload here to see how to upload. So when you upload a video, you choose the title. All right, we're uploading a short video right here, so you choose the title. All right, when using your YouTube app, you will not see places to add tags. So for you to see a place to add tags, after uploading the video, ensure that you choose public. All right, so that everyone could see it or people can search for it and find it. So if you are uploading a video, after uploading the video, you will not see a place where you add tags. So for you to add tags, you need to get YouTube Studio app. All right, just go to your Play Store or iOS store and download YouTube Studio. On YouTube Studio, after uploading the video on your main YouTube account, you go to YouTube Studio and click on edit to edit the video, and there you can add tags or choose the category you want the video to flow in. All right, so now we are done choosing this video and we want to upload it. And after entering every little detail that we have to enter, sorry for the notification that is always disturbing on this video. All right, this is just for this tutorial purposes. So we'll upload this video, enter title, upload it, and then it goes public. Everyone can watch it. We can share to every other person to watch it. Then we'll go on the YouTube Studio to start adding tags or do every other minor editing that we might want to do, or maybe add a thumbnail picture. All right, thumbnail picture is very helpful in a video, as it helps to captivate the audience that gets the first impression on the video. And most people just look for random picture to use as thumbnail, but what I recommend you use and I've been using, all right, especially the free version, is as good as the paid version. All right, there's a free version that you can get started with and you don't have to pay all the way. It's Canva. Canva is number one thumbnail maker that almost 80% of the people uploading videos on YouTube uses. All right, so use Canva to design even the back art card of your YouTube, and then everything will just look as great as if you did it with a professional artist. All right, so now you can see on my YouTube Studio right here, I'm editing it, the way I want it, adding the relevant tags.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket.
Click on YouTube Studio. Now to take you to YouTube Studio, where you will do some major changes, and that's very important for your YouTube channel. All right, so why this is logging me in. Alright, here we are. Alright, you can see this new YouTube channel just started out. Alright, then you're going to have to click on settings. Alright, settings at the top, at the lower left. Alright, then when you click on setting, alright, I always leave this as US dollars. Alright, most persons change their currency, but I prefer USD. Alright, then you can see channel settings where you can set a default tax. Alright, for me, I might get rid of some tax or leave them the way they are. Alright, you know, set some default tax, and then if you click on the advanced settings, you set your country to, you set if your video is for kids or it's not for kids. Definitely the videos make here is not for kids. Alright, so if you scroll down, there's not much to be seen there. Then features, eligibility, make sure that you have verified your phone number on your YouTube. Alright, okay, that done. Alright, I think that's cool. Then the next is default upload default. Alright, so you could write here your email and then use some other details that you would like to be including in every one of your videos. Alright, this doesn't apply when you're uploading video on a smartphone. This default doesn't come out, but when you're uploading videos on desktop, you know, all these particular default settings will come up. Alright, then if you click on advanced settings, which is one of my most important parts. Alright, so I just leave everything the way it is. This YouTube license, I leave it as standard. Alright, if you put it at Creative Commons attribution, it means that you want people to reuse your content to do other things. Alright, to make their video. Alright, then if you tap permission, alright, the owner of the channel, okay, contribution, okay, there's actually an area where you get to choose what your content is all about. The section, what's your content, okay, the content category. Yes, this is very important. Content category, you know, leaving it as none will give YouTube opportunity to just guess wherever area that your content should go. Alright, so here it's very important. Most persons will leave their content here as they'll put let's say car and vehicles and they're uploading comedy. Alright, or some people put entertainment and they're uploading music, let's just say non-profit stuff. Alright, so you select the area you want your content to focus on here, news and politics. Alright, so that is very important, as that will tell which area your content is focusing on. Alright, so if I choose any category here, if you leave it as none, now it give you are like giving the algorithm a free chance to like just push your video to any set of persons. Alright, when it pushes your video to any set of persons, if they like it, alright, it continue giving those set of persons. Alright, but when you choose this category, whenever you upload a video, the algorithm, YouTube algorithm will just push it to those set of persons. Alright, that's the importance of this place. So if you're uploading a video on let's say how to repair a car, and then you choose entertainment, once people in the entertainment section have seen your video and they are not interested, let's say 5 persons see your video and they are not interested, they just push it away, and that's how your video remains in 0 views. So if you've done that, you click save. So once you've saved, everything is done, you can go on to start uploading videos on your YouTube. Alright, so stay tuned to my channel when I talk about how to actually upload video properly. Alright, see you in my next video.